scary.
What? There's something really kind of scary about it. I think the shock has worn off a little bit.
Then like they go hardcore.
Is it
Yeah,